Hey everyone, today we're diving into a quick guide on how to view who follows you on Roblox using your PC, especially with the latest updates. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open Roblox. Make sure you're logged into your account. The interface may look a bit different with the update, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the top where you'll see your username displayed. Click on your username. This will take you to your profile page, where you can find all sorts of information about your account. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll down a little on your profile page. As you're scrolling, keep an eye out for the Followers section. When you spot it, go ahead and click on the Followers link. This will bring you to a list of all the users who are currently following you. It's a great way to see who's interested in your adventures in Roblox and connect with fellow gamers. And there you have it. Just 3 simple steps to check your followers on Roblox from your PC following the new update. Remember, the more you engage with your followers, the better your Roblox experience will be. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Roblox and other gaming content. See you in the next video.